So I downloaded this APK file, older version, because I'm trying to see if I can get some of these older APKs to work. So I'm going to scan it. I'm going to scan it now. Oh, come on. Where is it? Now, I can say this for sure. When you're running different versions of Android, all the variables can change very easily, very quickly, and there's a lot of different possibilities. So don't ever get stuck on one mindset that if something doesn't work, it can't be fixed. And of course, it says it's not compatible with my phone. so I'm gonna scan the code. So now I'm taking my Android phone. I'm gonna scan the code, but this phone is only running Android 10. My other tablet is running Android 7. Another tablet is running Android 13. My other phone is running Android 15. So I got all these different versions, and keeping up with it is just a little too much of a headache. I don't suggest it on anybody getting crazy like I do. Let's see here. Okay. QR is what we're looking for. I'm trying to figure out a way how you can live stream and switch between devices, like say your phone, tablet, PC, and go back and forth. I'm sure that people are already doing it. I just don't know how. Okay. No. Copy and then go to app. So QR code is not working. Okay. Okay, so that's not. Let's see here. Oh, that's okay. I have the APKs on disk. Let me just copy some of them. Oh, this is really good. I'm getting stuck on what am I going to do next. Okay. Let's, I mean, you know what, until I can get the other APKs back up on the phone, let's, try to install a well, that's a custom Mac I built VM, I think. Going down memory lane. Some of these are pretty funny. Okay, so let's focus. Oh, I wanted to show you one of my websites. And we can close that window. Close it, please. So, there's a lot of things you could do with that audio. These audio tutorials are really helpful to people in different countries that don't have the same access. What? Let's do Let's try to do an Android Lineage OS VM. So we're going to create a new machine. We're going to call it Lineage. I think Lineage 21 is Android 13. I'm not 100% sure now that I think about it, but I'm pretty sure. Sorry. It might work, it might not work. I don't know, I don't know. So this would be other. No, that's not DOS. It would be no, 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 no. We'll do something like that. I don't know if that's even right. But then let's give it about that much RAM. I'll just round it out since I have the extra RAM. Then I'm going to create a virtual hard disk. These icons drive me nuts. I try to organize. I have a system, but I got all these scripts running and all these files that just drives me nuts. It's eyesores. I just am not that person that can keep it like immaculate, like how it should look at all. I just can't. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna create a virtual disk. We'll just do a small test one. We'll just create I don't have that much space on this drive, so we'll just do like a 80, for now, like a 80 gig, I guess, just for test. Okay, so then we gotta do the settings. into the settings, go into the system, uncheck the floppy, check the processor. I'll bump it up to 2. I guess enable those features, I'm not sure. Display, bump it up to 128. Storage is going to be, we're going to pick the lineage ISO, which is located in the downloads folder. We have Bliss and lineage, but we'll try the lineage first. X86 version. Oh, I'm sorry, no, this one. Oh, I did say lineage, but we'll try that one first. And then the audio input output network, leave it as that. Serial ports, no. USB, no. USB 3.0, shared folders, no user interface. Hey, but what you can do, I kind of ran through that real fast, I'm sorry. We could make a bidirectional clipboard and install guest editions to drag and drop from Windows to Android. If that might work, I might see if we can get that going. And then just double checking the settings. There's a VDI. I don't know if the host needs to be on. Audio network is on NAT. We're not using bridged. Using a virtual Ethernet adapter. Okay, and let's see what happens. Install. Let's install it. Boop, boop, boop. So it's running. What bootloader do I specify? I'm so retarded. Uh, um, when you are loading Lineage OS 21 on Virtualbox, what do you do when you get to the screen in Lineage OS that says specify bootloader to continue? Grub or none? When you get to the screen, install Bliss OS or specify bootloader to continue, grub or none, what do you choose? Okay, so I guess we just ignore that prompt and install. Seems to be a desktop entry. This file install Bliss OS seems to be a desktop entry. Oh, I'm sorry, we're searching. I'm such a tardo. Actually, when you get to the install Bliss OS desktop on Android x86, do you just hit execute? Okay, so we'll just follow the steps. So we're following the steps now to install Lineage OS. I'm sorry, but it's actually Bliss OS x86. I named the VM wrong because I thought we were going to use the Lineage OS ISO, but I ended up using the Bliss ISO. So either or, same difference. So we need to erase the disk. We're installing it on VirtualBox. Okay. Okay, and then hit next. No. Okay, next. Creating a partition table, okay. So I was about to make changes to your disk in order to install, okay. So we'll watch it, go through the motions and see if it can take the overload. Or if we have errors or other things that we need to install. Or not install or find. Or not find. I've been waiting for this OS for a while. I don't know when it came out. It's probably been out for quite a while, but last time I installed Android on Windows, it was Vanilla OS. And that was interesting. That's a very interesting build. Vanilla OS. Should try it. So many different neat operating systems. And it looks like it's stuck. At least it does to me. I don't know how long it should take actually, so I'm kind of in general burned out on virtual machines in general. It's all I've been doing for the past 5, 6 years, and I'm really over it. Honestly, have other projects and other things that I'm working on that I much rather invest my time in, but it always comes back to this for some reason. Let's toggle the log. Next slide. Okay. It's still moving. Slow. Line by line. I don't know if it's supposed to be that slow. I highly doubt it. I probably don't have something configured correctly. Or this might not be a version that can run on this machine. I don't know. Oh no. I know what it is. It's supposed to be x86, not 64. I think. Oh my god. Oh, it's done. It just didn't go show the full. That's cool. That's cool. And then you got to eject the disk in your virtual machine. Is a good idea. So I want to eject the disk. Storage. Check and just it should run. See how it says it's booting in 15 seconds? Yeah, you don't have to eject the disk. Well, I can't do it right at this moment. I can force eject it, but I'm not gonna try it. It's gonna boot just now. Oh, looks like another hiccup. You never know. I don't know. I think part of why I've spent so much time doing this is because I just learned so much like so quickly, and it just like my brain just got soaked with all this information and trying to understand it all and doing the repetitive processes over and over and over and over again. You start to see between the lines. It's like you endure so much processing of information that you build new like understandings. It's hard to explain. I don't know how to describe the experience. It's just fascinating. Like I said, the last one Android VM that I've run was vanilla OS, and it looks nice and it was interesting, but something about it was just weird. I don't know. It felt too like corporate with a underground like wannabe feel. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. But the colors were cool. I like the concept. The yellow was nice. It was like a canary yellow. Okay, it was unable to load. Purgatory. We're in purgatory. I might not continue with this. There it goes. I found the manifest. Or a manifest. Stop.